As a machine shop leader, you risked your capital, reputation, and dreams to make your operation grow. You're constantly dealing with surprises and changes. Gaining control over costs and production isn't easy, but we can help make it easier for you. Adding a purpose-built CNC machine tending robot gives you ultimate control over productivity. Say goodbye to mistakes like improper raw part insertion and not fully tightening the work holding device. You'll reduce scrap and broken cutting tools. No more running a job yourself because the machine operator called off or quit and there's no one else to run the job. You run the job because keeping your promises matters. It's a big part of your reputation. Adding a robot tilts the competitive playing field in your favor. It makes it easier to keep your delivery promises and be more profitable. Ask any of our customers and they'll tell you their only regret is they didn't add the robot sooner. Ready to explore how we can help make your job easier? Call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.